All right, so what's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan, I'm Susan.
Susan.
Before today, have we met?
No.
Have I coached you?
No.
On what to do, what not to do?
Nope.
You have no idea what's anticipated?
No idea.
Okay, well, thank you. I'm just learning, so I'm just picking people randomly and seeing if I can be successful with these strategies. If I push and do it wrong, okay, and I'm pushing against you, go ahead and resist me though, yeah, then it's a harder force, okay? But if I do this other technique, then I got you. There it is.
Oh, interesting.
There it is. Okay, good. It's interesting, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do it wrong. So just maintain, don't let me push you. Yeah.
Okay.
You see how he's kind of leaning in, right? But so now,
there it is.